Mistplay gift card codes usually show as invalid when the redemption process is rushed, the code is mistyped, or the reward hasn't fully activated in Mistplay's system yet after redemption. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why your Mistplay gift card code fails and how to fix it so the redemption actually goes through. The main point is simple. Mistplay gift cards are processed in 2 steps. First, your units convert into a reward, then the code is generated and verified through a partner system, and errors happen when those steps don't fully complete. Start with the most common issue: timing. If you just redeemed a reward, the code may not be fully active yet. Go back into your reward history in Mistplay and confirm the status says completed before trying to use the code anywhere. Next, check for typing mistakes. Gift card codes are long and case sensitive, and even a single wrong character will make them invalid. The safest fix is to copy and paste the code directly instead of manually typing it. Now, check where you're redeeming it. Some users try to enter Mistplay codes in the wrong platform, like a retailer app, instead of the official gift card redemption page. Each gift card only works on its specific partner site. Another common issue is region mismatch. If the gift card type doesn't match your account region, the system can reject it instantly. This is especially common with Google Play, Amazon, or prepaid cards tied to specific countries. Next step is cache or browser issues. If you're redeeming through a browser, switch to incognito mode or a different browser. If you're using an app, clear the app cache before trying again. Also check if the code has already been used. Mistplay codes are single-use. If the page says invalid but you previously tried redeeming it, it may already be claimed on your account or another login. Finally, make sure your Mistplay account is fully verified and not restricted. Accounts under review or flagged activity sometimes generate codes that don't activate properly until the review clears. Here's the quick recap. Mistplay gift card codes show as invalid because of timing delays, typing errors, wrong redemption sites, or region mismatches. Fix it by confirming redemption status, copying the code correctly, and checking where and how you're entering it. Your next step is simple. Go back to your Mistplay reward history and confirm the gift card is marked as fully completed before trying again. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay reward and redemption fixes.